In this video, I've shown you guys how you can add a phone number or an email to your Discord account. So if you created with an email, you need a phone number. If you created with a phone number, you need an email. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's simple. What you need to do is move to your account, which is your U here. Tap on the U at the bottom. Good. So on here, behind the Nitro at the top right corner of your screen, tap on the setting there. And on the setting, you move to your account. This is very simple and easy to do. So you can see I created this account with an email. You can tap on the phone number side to enter a phone number and then you verify. They'll send you an OTP and you verify. And for the email too, you can do same as well. You just need to tap on the send verification code. And after entering your email, you tap on the send verification code. They send you a code and you click on a link and it's verified. So that's it. It's very, very simple and easy. So that's it on how you can add a phone number or an email to your Discord account. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.